What's up, you guys? Aditi. Welcome back to our channel. We are back again with another aggression video. We have spoken a few topics on aggression, like biological factors, evolutionary perspective, frustration. Um, I don't know. I'm just gonna list all of it here so you can figure it out which one you want to watch before you watch this one or maybe after this one. This is a part of social psychology if you did not know. So today we are again going to speak about another concept like what causes aggression. Basically, it's given by Bushman and Anderson and Bushman in 2002. It is called as the GAM or a general aggression model. This way. So, general aggression model, it kind of gives us a proper foundation to overt aggression, like what causes overt aggression, and there are two inputs when it comes to aggression. First input that initiates the first input variable rather that initiates overt aggression is situational factors, basically factors that are relating to current situation. So let's say something like somebody provoked you, like somebody said something to you, somebody said something about your mother, your dad, your sister, your brother, something, and they kind of provoked you. Another reason could be frustration, like something that happened in your environment that has caused you, that has led to frustration, and that kind of leads to overt aggression. You can watch the frustration wala video so you'll understand more why frustration. There are other situational factors like temperature, like if it's too hot, that can cause overt aggression. I'll make a video on it. Then there could be like there is a presence of a weapon like a gun that can also lead to overt aggression. So there are multiple reasons that happens in in our environment, the situational factors that can lead us to overtly aggress. Second input variable that causes overt aggression or that could cause overt aggression is factors relating to people involved. So basically personal factors like personality traits. So some people could be more aggressive than other people. So some people could be high on irritability. So some people could have hostile cognitive mindset. I'll make a video on it. But let me just explain a little bit what it means. So basically somebody किसी का धक्का लग गया while walking, which is a very normal thing, it's very crowded, किसी का धक्का लग गया, some people would, like that person would apologize and walk away. You would be like okay ठीक है, हो जाता है. Some people who have hostile cognitive mindset would take that धक्का, which is a very small, minute, very normal thing to happen in a very hustle bustle city, as hostility, and they would like अरे ऐसे कैसे किया, how could you do this, and they'll be overtly aggressive. Then there could be some people who have different views and opinions about violence. So some people, like for example we know Gandhi ji, who was against non-violence, so he would not actually be very aggressive, whereas some people consider violence as a very appropriate and acceptable thing. So what views you have about violence also that also can mean that whether you will be aggressive or not. Then let's say some specific skills that you may have, like maybe you know how to use a weapon, maybe you are skilled in, I don't know, taekwondo and karate or something, that could also lead you. I'm not saying that because if you do taekwondo or karate you are an aggressive person. Some people, so it's not just this one thing, but they are high irritability, there are type A behavior, they have a hostile cognitive mindset. All of these factors combining together I shouldn't say will, they could cause someone or lead to overt aggression. These two variables, first is situational factors and second is personality traits. Now these two variables, they impact basic processes in us, which are three. First is arousal. Arousal may increase psychological arousal or excitement. Second is affective states. So that kind of generates hostile feelings and outward signs. So basically our facial expressions, when it becomes like angry, frustrated, annoyed, all of that. So that is affective states. Third is Cognition. So basically, it induces an individual to think hostile thoughts and can bring beliefs. So basically, hostile cognitive mindset, like I said, that you start thinking in a hostile way, in an aggressive way, and can bring beliefs and attitudes about aggression in mind. So if you, like I said, if you believe or if you think that aggression or violence is acceptable and appropriate, those views will will be in your consciousness, like and that's the reason why you would actually aggress against other people. So let's say that किसी ने धक्का मारा, which is a situational factor, which is, and also your personality trait is to think in a hostile way. So दोनों चीज़ें हो रही है, तो arousal भी हो गया, okay, affective state भी हो गया, you're angry, you can, facial expression is like of anger, and you're also cognition भी है, that you're thinking aggressive thoughts, सब हो रहा है. But does that mean that you would actually engage in aggressive behavior? Maybe, maybe not. So you may actually behave aggressively, which is an impulsive action. Or you may behave in a thoughtful action, which is you restrain yourself from aggressing against that person जिसने धक्का मारा. Now, these two, that is basically you're deciding कि क्या करना चाहिए, impulsively behave करना चाहिए कि thoughtful action सोचना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए. Now, this depends on a few factors. First factor is that individual's interpretation of the current situation, so appraisal, and second is restraining factors. Like for example, there's a police, ने किसी ने धक्का मारा, you want to fight, but then you see, अरे पुलिस की गाड़ी है, नहीं यार, नहीं झगड़ा नहीं करते, या फिर the person जिसने आपको धक्का मारा, उसने sorry भी बोला, you're ready to fight, but he has a gun or he has a knife or something. So that could kind of stop you from aggressing or behaving in an overtly aggressive manner in the situation. And that is it for today's video. I hope you learned something from this. I know it's a very short video and I'm going to continue making short videos because it's very easy to revise one video of the other. You feel accomplished. When I did 5 videos, I revised 5 topics today. And also I don't have much time because I'm in the final year right now. So I hope you understand. If you learned something or if this video helped you revise, then like, share and subscribe. Also comment what do you think about this video. Do you like short videos? Do you want long videos? Topics, I would love to hear feedback. And yeah, I'll see you next Friday or maybe next to next Friday with a psychology video.